Hi there, I just received my package from Mama Select, and in it is the Shatavari supplement, and this is actually in the asparagus family, and over the past few centuries it has been used as an aid to support female health, and you can find a whole bunch of stuff on it online, and it's pretty cool to see how far back some of these herbal supplements go. I purchased a bunch of these because I am a nursing mom, and to me it is very important to have a good backup. Make sure you drink your water, make sure you take your vitamins, and make sure your supplements are made by somebody who you can trust. And frankly, somebody who has received the seal of good manufacturing processes means that they take a lot of time and care in producing a supplement for moms like me. They've also made sure that the packaging is tightly sealed, taken care of, and that the cotton is packed in there so the items don't get damaged. Here are some of the supplements. Super easy to take. They are gel capsules with the herb inside, and this container includes 60 capsules made in the United States. Totally cool. And it's something that I'm very excited to start taking.